With wings like stained glass and a spirit of survival that's legendary, meet the small tortoiseshell, Aglais urticae, one of Europe's most beloved and resilient butterflies. From frozen hibernation to sunlit gardens, this colorful warrior has an incredible story. Let's discover the tortoiseshell's secrets in 3 minutes. The small tortoiseshell is a masterpiece of natural design. With a wingspan of 4.5 to 6.2 centimeters, it's medium-sized but unmistakable. The upper wings are a brilliant tapestry, bright orange-red base color with bold black markings, yellow patches along the leading edge, and a distinctive row of bright blue spots bordering the wings. The wing edges appear scalloped, adding to their elegant appearance. But flip them over, the underwings tell a different story. They're cryptically colored in dark browns and grays with subtle patterns, providing perfect camouflage when the butterfly rests with wings closed. This disguise is crucial for survival during hibernation. The butterfly's body is covered in dense brown fur, and its antennae have distinctive clubbed tips. Unlike many butterflies, males and females look virtually identical, both equally stunning. The small tortoiseshell's life cycle is extraordinary, especially its ability to survive brutal winters. Eggs. Females lay 60 to 100 pale green eggs in batches on the underside of stinging nettle leaves, their sole food plant. The eggs darken just before hatching. Caterpillars. Black and yellow-green spiky caterpillars emerge and live communally in silk webs on nettles. They're covered in branched spines and look fierce, but they're harmless. After 3 to 4 weeks of voracious feeding through 4 molts, they're ready to transform. Chrysalis. The caterpillar forms a stunning gray-brown chrysalis with golden metallic spots hanging upside down from a silk pad. After just 2 to 3 weeks, the butterfly emerges. Adults. Here's the remarkable part. Unlike most butterflies that live mere weeks, adult tortoiseshells can survive up to 10 to 11 months. They're one of the few butterflies that hibernate as adults. In autumn, they seek sheltered spots, sheds, attics, tree hollows, or log piles. They enter diapause, a deep dormancy where their metabolism nearly stops. They can survive freezing temperatures by producing antifreeze compounds in their blood. On warm winter days, they might briefly wake, but mostly they remain motionless for 6 to 8 months until spring. Small tortoiseshells are feisty butterflies with distinct personalities. Males are highly territorial, establishing perches and sunny spots where they wait for females. They'll aggressively chase away rival males, other butterfly species, and even birds. Remarkable bravery for something that weighs less than a gram. They're sun lovers, often seen basking with wings spread wide to absorb warmth. On cloudy days, they rest with wings closed, virtually disappearing into their surroundings. These butterflies are generalist feeders, visiting a huge variety of flowers: buddleia, lavender, marjoram, thistles, dandelions, and sedum. In autumn, before hibernation, they frantically feed to build fat reserves. They're fuel for surviving winter without food. They're also attracted to fermenting fruit and tree sap, sometimes appearing almost drunk as they feed on rotting apples. Spring emergence is magical. Hibernating adults emerge hungry and immediately seek early nectar sources like pussy willow and primrose. After feeding and mating, females search for fresh nettle patches to lay eggs, and the cycle begins again. The small tortoiseshell is found throughout Europe, extending east into temperate Asia and even Japan. In most of Europe, there are typically 2 generations per year. The second brood emerges in late summer, and these butterflies hibernate through winter. In warmer regions, 3 generations may occur. Population numbers fluctuate dramatically due to weather, parasites, and food availability. Despite their toughness, small tortoiseshell numbers have declined sharply in some regions. Habitat loss, parasites, pesticides, and climate change are major threats. But you can help. Grow nettles, plant nectar-rich flowers, provide hibernation spaces, and avoid pesticides. Even a small garden can make a big difference. The small tortoiseshell butterfly, a symbol of survival, color, and resilience. From frozen silence to sunlit flight, it reminds us that nature's strength often comes in delicate forms. Subscribe for more butterfly stories and tell us, have you ever seen one hibernating in your home?